You know, they say city folk are always in a hurry. But out here in the country, we take our time. We build things to last, not just to meet some deadline. That's the RW Builders way. We're an Amish-owned construction company. And we build roofs and additions that'll outlast your kids, maybe even your great-grandkids. Now, we know what you're thinking. Amish?
Do they even have power tools?
Well, we do now. But don't worry, we still use our hands and our hearts to build something truly special. And the best part? We're not all about the bottom line. We believe in a fair price and honest work. So if your roof is leakier than a sieve, or your house is bursting at the seams, give Reuben Wingert a call. He might not have a cell phone, but he'll get back to you. Promise. RW Builders. Building dreams, one shingle at a time. Call Reuben Wingert today for a free estimate. You won't regret it, unless you like leaky roofs, of course.